Hello, today we're playing cook burgers.
Burgers.
We're gonna cook some burgers.
Yes.
Let's go into the kitchen.
So,
Oh, we got customers already.
this time is gonna be a little strange because we're actually not really gonna serve them.
Yeah, we're just gonna.
Wait, guys. You see that? You see that? It's one a star person. Sam, just make fries for them. Only fries. For their best burger. We're not gonna give them a burger. This is the person, okay, guys? We're only gonna give them some fries. Okay, I'll get the plate and I'll put some ketchup on it.
Does he want ketchup? Put ketchup on mustard. I'm gonna put ketchup on mustard.
No, that it just turns it. For the guys that haven't played this game before, yeah, it's just you get some burgers.
Yeah, pretty self-explanatory.
I'm also gonna cook a patty.
Alright, I got a perfectly fried one. I'm gonna put it on this plate.
No, don't serve it yet. Let me serve it because I need to put it on the patty, guys. Okay, and 3, 2, 1. It's gonna say perfectly cooked.
Perfectly
And so
made.
guys, for the people who've played this before, we're kind of we're gonna go to the lab and we're gonna make as many rat potions as we possibly can.
We're gonna try and get some orange and purple potions as well.
He said that's pretty bad. Bring me a burger and I'll judge it.
Oh.
And for the guys who don't know, I'm just gonna show you on my screen. So let's.
Oh wait, this guy. Wait, that guy wants some. That guy actually wants some
I
ketchup
know.
on his. I'll make that.
So for the guys that don't know, we're just gonna order some lettuce.
And the girls.
And we're also gonna try to get some orange potions, which are special rats, like a squirrel rat, more of a
Chipmunk.
actually, and like a biller rat. And the purple potions make us into cats, and the regular green ones just make you into rats.
Yeah.
So as you can see, yeah, you can this works on computer and so PC and on mobile.
Wait, don't go in the
Get
kitchen.
onto the box and you just start jumping.
Wait, go circuit. Don't go in the kitchen. Don't go in the kitchen. I'm making my special burger.
Okay. Okay. So we're gonna go into the sewers right now. Yeah, we're going to the sewers. Don't worry. We're not going.
Oh, okay. Just make sure no one. Okay. Just frying my special burger. Get a little bit. Hey, who's that? Hello? Huh. Come here, my lady. Now you shall go into the freezer. No, don't walk away. No! Dude, what the hell? Okay. Alright, don't open the fridge. Don't open the fridge.
Okay.
Lynn! The stupid rat named Lynn is trying to kill me. Wait, I'm gonna put the... Who opened? Ghost Orchid? Did you just open the fridge? Why?
Okay, guys. So we're gonna head over to. Well, I'm gonna head over.
Yeah, me too. Let's
Let's
go.
order some fries so Sam can take a walk.
No, don't hurt me!
You're like inside the bathroom.
Oh! Open this door now! Oh my god, he's pushing me. Ghost
And
Orchid.
you're getting me upset.
No!
Okay, take a box.
That was mine! Yo.
That's mine!
Oh great, now they're stuck. Boink.
So as you can see.
Why is there a box of lettuce up there?
I know, because I was spying on you. Guys, look, that's how you look on PC. He's on PC and I'm on mobile, so.
Yeah, we're just doing some gaming moves.
So we're just gonna go to the other side where you can get to the lab. And look, this is the lab for the people that don't know how to get here and are completely new. I'm just kidding.
There you
And so
go.
as you can see, look, he just put some fries in.
Look, and a
look
green
what comes out.
potion.
Look what comes out. Look, a green potion.
A lovely green potion. What if I put it back
So
in?
what we're
Get
gonna
back in
do
there.
is we're just gonna take ages. We're gonna just throw show the green versions over here.
They're just easy.
So later on in the game, we're gonna show you how to get more orange potions really fast. But for now, we're just gonna mainly like.
Well, what mainly helps us to get orange potions. It might not help you, but
No, but there's like a 9 out of 10 chance that if you do what we're gonna do, you will get an orange potion. Okay, so he's just gonna stay here, put in the fries box, the next one, and go into the trash and order some new food. Oh my god, guys, look.
what happened?
Just like, okay, here, I'll help you, Rat. Now you're inside.
What happened?
No, so he was like stuck. He couldn't walk.
You guys okay?
Here.
I'm just gonna.
And so, we, yeah.
All right.
Even though we're not really supposed to. Oh yeah, if you don't know, you might have seen before. I'm just gonna show you. If you have a microwave. Look, I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, look. So this is me right now. Hi. Yeah. That's the microwave pack because it zaps near rats. So like if there's a rat in your kitchen. In our occasion, it's fine because we like rats if they're allowing us to pursue.
Yeah. And it's very annoying because every one time I got an orange potion, and I took it, and she zapped me
Yeah.
with the orange potion, the only one we had.
So we finally made an orange potion, and then he took it, and then I went in the bin, and then he came too close to me, so I accidentally zapped him. Jared, look. Let me demonstrate. Take a potion. Take a potion. We'll just jump in the bin. Oh, wait, where are you? Yeah, go there. Go there. Stay there.
Oh
No,
god.
no, don't go too close. Don't go too close. No, go away. So go very far. So that's sound. And I just up.
I'm right here.
Oh. Well then it's not sound.
No! No! No!
And I'm just gonna zap this regular rat. Just go close to it. Come on. Oh, thank you, cat. You just ate the rat. Okay. So we're just gonna grind some more potions, and then
We'll be
speed it up.
back. We'll be back once we're just gonna speed up the footage of us trying to
Yeah, we'll just speed up the entire footage.
and get ready for
So,
some gaming montage.
See you in like 5 seconds. Yes.
Oh, yo, purple potion.
Meanwhile,
Oh my gosh, guys, like, so I have the microwave hat. Oh, look how many like.
No!
So I'm about to just zap them all.
No! I'm gonna save Jerry. Here you go, Jerry. I'm free! No, Jerry! No, no, no! 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 Jerry! No, Jerry! 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 No! 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 Don't hurt him! No! 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 Look, wait. Ghost, come here. Ghost.
I can see what you're trying to do.
I wanna buy this item.
Okay. Now, guys, I'm just gonna jump into the thing. So, well, as you can see, this is the. Oh, okay, yeah, a cat kind of just ate me. But that's kind of what it's like.
We still wait. We got 3 potions.
But I'm gonna just show you how to beat the cat.
Well, I thought you took the orange potion.
It's not that hard. It's just like being a rat, but then you get to sleep. I'll still show you guys. So it's pretty cool, but so Sam is gonna wait for us to take the orange potion because we're just gonna show you, and we do have to be careful because we might get killed by a cat. Because cats do.
It's very risky. Let's try and clean this place up a little bit.
Okay, so while Sam's cleaning up the place, I'm going to show you what's like the interact.
Good luck.
And this is
Eat a cat. Eat a rat. Eat a rat.
So I don't think we can actually eat rat.
Yeah, you can put them in your mouth though.
It's your little friend, buddy.
You can grab them in your mouth.
I know. But you can't eat them. Let's see, guys. Can you actually eat a rat?
You can eat food.
Nummy. So you cannot actually eat it. So you sleep? Oh, can't do it when the you sleep? You can prank your friends, which I did to Sam, by pretending to be a regular cat or a regular rat. Maybe you can pretend that you're like a cook or whatever. So, yeah. I'm just gonna die, and then me and Sam are officially gonna show you how to, well, you can just pick up stuff and you actually kind of eat them sometimes.
Like bread. You can eat bread, I think.
Okay, time to go in the bins now, guys. No, this is not work. Okay, let's just reset that.
I just put my hot chocolate on myself.
We're gonna take the bun. Me and Sam are now gonna take the orange potion, and it's not any different. It's not any different from being a rat. Well, actually, that is because if you are a chipmunk, you can like jump and jump. Okay, guys, this person is very irritating.
Come to the door.
I'm trying. The interact button does not like it. Okay, so we got the person who's just gonna get on his head and go to the other side of the and we're just gonna throw him in the bin. And we're gonna take a potion in 3, 2, 1, boom. I'm a builder rat.
Oh, I'm a builder rat as well.
Okay, so go to the front of the kitchen. And I don't think the builder rat can do anything.
Yeah, he's not very useful.
But yeah.
You can fight.
I'm just gonna stay a builder rat.
Ghost, help me! I'm being fried
No,
alive.
stay in the fry pan for a little bit. You gotta stay in it.
I'm just gonna stay in the what's it called? The deep fryer. Dude, there's like a KFC!
What?
Bro, legit real KFC. Right in the deep fryer.
Okay, so I'm just gonna like